You wouldn't know what to do with love if you found it. Or do you think you already have?
I guess that's why I haven't opened my heart up for almost 100 years.
For almost a century, I've closed myself off to feeling anything for anyone, man or woman.
Then I met you.
You've unlocked something in me.
Love is fleeting. Even more so when you're immortal.
You watch the people you care about age and die.
Alexander. And yet true love cannot die. Stay with me.
But people can.
I'm not the first person he's loved. And I won't be the last.
I don't even want to think about you being gone.
One day I will be. Right, because the whole immortality thing, that's no big deal.
You're putting words in my mouth.
And you're twisting this into something that it isn't. I'm not a child, Magnus.
Then stop acting like one.
And you'll just move on.
I'm immortal! It's not as if I have a choice. I can't change what I am, and neither can you.
You're immortal.
You once asked me what I was afraid of.
What scares you?
It's this.
I've been feeling a little bit overwhelmed.
But as a leader, there are difficult decisions I have to make to ensure the survival of my people.
And to be honest, I need a break.
The only thing holding me back from doing that is you. No, please. No. Stay with me. Stay with me. You can't have both.
Yes, you can. We can. We can figure this out. Magnus. I'm getting married. All these hundreds of years. I can't believe you've never been married.
Congratulations. Marriage is a wonderful institution. Not that I would know. I've never met anyone like you. Never thought I'd be a runaway groom. If anything were to happen to
Magnus. I'm good.
what if I help you and I lose you?
I know. But you and me, we always seem to find our way back to each other. It's only Edom. You always come back. You're gonna make it back. You hear me?
Why wouldn't I? Look what I have waiting for me.